This is Ernie.
Hiya!
He's a Queensland fruit fly, and he's here to wreck your garden.
Ernie, the Queensland fruit fly. He's coming down south with a big surprise. He's a hungry little chugger, she's a fruit hugger, and you're gonna want them to die in just no time. Them babies grown, they're ready to breed, and they're ready to roam. He's a tiny little guy with big brown eyes and a chip on his yellow shoulder. Let's give him the boot now, set the traps, and bring him in. Cause he's a hungry little chugger, she's a fruit hugger, and we're all gonna do him in.
What's Ernie up to today? I think Ernie's looking for some female company.
Yeah!
He wants to find a lady fly to settle down with and start a family. Then they'll find some fruit in your garden and lay their maggots in it. And once they've done that, you can kiss goodbye to all your hard work in the garden or on the farm. So if you want to stop Ernie from destroying your beautiful fruits, then you're going to need to take action. Using some simple techniques, you can find out if you have a fruit fly problem. Regular pruning is key to managing fruit fly numbers in your garden. Not only does it improve fruit production and make harvesting fruit easier, but it also makes it easier to use other fruit fly control methods, such as trapping, covering with exclusion netting, and good hygiene. Remember, only grow the amount of fruit and veggies that you can manage, and use and remove any trees or plants that you don't. Learn to recognise the signs of Queensland fruit fly infestation and inspect your fruit and veggies regularly. Make sure infested fruit doesn't enter our region. Monitoring traps are a simple and effective way of keeping an eye on fruit fly numbers in your trees. And when levels of infestation are high in the spring, summer and autumn, liquid protein traps help keep numbers down. You can even make your own traps by reusing plastic bottles. Take a 1.25 litre plastic bottle and cut 3 holes the size of a 10-cent piece, about 10 centimetres from the top. Then add fruit juice and cloudy ammonia as a lure. Smells good, doesn't it, Ernie? Watch out, Ernie, it's a trap! Garden hygiene is a cheap and effective way to stop Ernie from completing his life cycle. Remove unwanted or unmanaged plants and trees that Ernie might like. Solarise or freeze any infested fruit and dispose of it in your general waste bin, not the compost or green bin. Simply by keeping your garden clean and tidy and removing unwanted fruit and veggies and disposing of it properly, you can prevent Ernie infesting your trees. Exclusion with netting, bags or sleeves placed over fruit is a cheap and effective way of stopping female fruit flies from settling on fruit and infesting it with their eggs. Baits and cover sprays are another control option. Visit your local garden centre for more information and advice on how to manage Queensland fruit fly numbers in your garden. Or visit the Agriculture Victoria website, and together we can help prevent the impact of Queensland fruit fly across our region.